Given a string and an int n, return a string made up of the first n characters of the string, followed by the first n minus 1 characters of the string, and so on. You may assume that n is between 0 and the length of the string inclusive. Okay, so what's happening here is n is being decremented, and it's returning that substring of the string. So it looks like we're going to continuously add substring to the string. So let's declare string front returned equals empty string, and then I'm going to loop how am I going to loop? I'm going to loop int I equals n. And then I'm going to, as long as n is greater than 0, because once n is 0, then I want to cancel this loop. And then what am I going to do? I am going to decrement n minus minus. Okay. So next, what do I need to do? So I need to get a substring from 0 to n. So I am going to front, sort of like string front add. That's going to equal str.substring, and we are getting 0 to n. Right? And then from there, as I loop, I'm going to add front returned. I'm going to add plus equals front add. So, and then at the end, I'm going to return this string. So return front returned. Okay. So let's see if we got this right. So what's going to happen is I'm going to loop through. So let's say it was 2. So if n is 2, I'm going to run as long as, oops, gotta fix that. Oop, yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay, fix that mistake. So I equals n. So I'm assigning I to n. So if it's 2, it's going to run as long as I is greater than 2. So it goes through and it says str.substring 0 to n, so 2. So that would be 2 is exclusive. So this is exclusive. So it'll be 0, 1, just like this example, I, C. And then it will add that part of the string to front returned. And then it's going to loop through and then int, this is already assigned. So I is now, so it was 2, now it's 1. So it would be 0, 1. So 0, 1, that would be I. That gets added, goes up, I is incremented, or sorry, decremented. So it was 1, it's going to be 0. So that breaks out the loop. Okay, so that looks good. Let's see. Oh no. Got a whole bunch of errors. Oh, that's why. Because it's just n never changes. So I just got to change that to I. Okay, there you go.